Hey Pre-K, today I want to introduce you guys to, it's called a Rekenrek. First notice that all the beads are to my far right. We're going to use this to practice sliding the beads in groups instead of one by one. So like normally I would write down the number 2. And you guys would go 1, 2. Well, we're not going to do that anymore, okay? So I'm going to write down a number. If you know the number, shout it out to your parents. If you don't know the number, it's number 3. And I'm going to look at the beads, and in my mind, I'm going to see 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 beads right here. And I'm going to just push those 3 to the side. Instead of counting them out one by one, I looked at it and counted out 3 and pushed them all at the same time. Okay, so let's try that again. Let me do a little bit bigger number. You guys know what number this is? If you know what number it is, shout it out to your parents. If you don't know what number it is, it's number 6. So I want you to look at this Rekenrek, and in your mind, look at these beads and see on the top ones if you can count out 6 beads, and we're going to move it all at the same time, and I'm going to do the same. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to move them all at the same time. Not going to do it one by one. I'm going to do it all at the same time. And you guys will be using these next year, so I want you to be familiar with it. Had we been at school, this would have been fun. You guys would have loved to have done it yourself. Okay, now let's do a math problem with it. And some people may think, oh, it's pre-K. They can't do math problems. Well, they've been doing math problems with me for a while at my small groups table, and just let me tell you, we got some smart little guys in our class this year, and girls. Okay, so let's do 5 plus 3 equals, okay? So we have 5 plus 3, but we're going to forget about those right now. We're going to just count out 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And move them all at the same time. So there's our 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have plus 3. So we want to add 3 more beads. So let's look back up here at our Rekenrek. Let's count out 3 beads. Let's not do it one at a time. Let's get 3 beads up here and push them all at the same time. Okay, ready? We got 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 red beads plus 3 white beads. Now let's count them all and see what 5 plus 3 is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anybody remember how to draw the number 8? Looks kind of like a snowman. Whoop. It's moving. There we go. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, let's try one more, and then I will stop and read you guys a quick story. But I just want to get you familiar with it, and I may make some more videos with this where you can at least be familiar with it. Let's see. The next video I may do because we've learned numbers 1 through 20. So we may do bigger the next video, but I'm just going to do the smaller numbers right now. So let's count out. Let's do this math problem. So let's do 9 plus 1 equals. But we're going to forget about these right now, and we're just going to do the 9. So let's look up here at our Rekenrek. You count with me by looking at the beads as I count, and then we'll push them all over at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's our 9 Rekenrek beads. So we've got 9 plus, we need to add 1 more. So let's look back over here. Oh, look, we just have 1 left on the top. So that's a no-brainer. We'll just move it on over. Now, let's count what 9 plus 1 equals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nine plus 1 equals 10. Okay, I think you guys probably get the gist of that, but I want you to notice something else. So we have 5 red beads on top and 5 white beads on top. Well, a while ago when we pushed them all over, that was 10. So notice we have 10 on top and 10 on bottom. So if you have 10 on top and 10 on bottom, that makes 20. And we've learned 1 through 20. So we'll do some bigger numbers with that, but this, I just wanted to get you familiar with it. If you get it, great. If you don't quite understand it yet, you will. I promise you will. No worries. Okay, now I will stop this video and then I'll make another video reading you guys a story.